How to fix Facebook friend request error. In this video guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Facebook. Open the Facebook like this. You have to scroll down and click on storage. Click now on the last button, clear data, click OK, then you have to back and click on force stop, click OK, and now you have to go to your Play Store. You have to update your Facebook. If it's not updated, after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.